Discover reliable outdoor cooking performance with today's top-rated gear. The best camp stoves deliver consistent heat output, efficient fuel usage, and dependable portability for weekend trips or extended adventures. This guide highlights options designed to simplify meal preparation in any outdoor environment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Triton Camp Stove. The Coleman Triton Camp Stove stands out as a versatile and portable cooking solution built for campers who prioritize dependable performance in changing outdoor conditions. Its compact profile makes it an easy addition to campsites, roadside meal stops, or picnic environments. Equipped with 2 wind guards, the stove effectively shields its burners from gusts, maintaining consistent flame performance even on breezy days. The heavy-duty latch keeps the unit secure when closed, while the removable chrome-plated grate simplifies cleanup after cooking. The improved rotation knobs offer precise temperature control across 2 independently adjustable burners, allowing users to manage everything from simmering delicate sauces to boiling water rapidly. Delivering an impressive 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, the Triton handles a wide variety of outdoor meals with confidence. Its size accommodates both a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan simultaneously, making it highly efficient for multi-item meal preparation. Whether used for weekend camping or general outdoor cooking needs, the Coleman Triton Camp Stove balances reliability, ease of use, and strong heat output in a durable package.
Number 2. Camp Chef Camp Stove. The Camp Chef Camp Stove provides substantial cooking power in a rugged, portable format designed for demanding outdoor use. Featuring 2 20,000 BTU burners, the system delivers a total of 40,000 BTUs, far surpassing the output of many standard camp stoves, and enabling users to sear, grill, or boil with enhanced speed and intensity. A built-in 3-sided windscreen ensures the flame remains steady in windy conditions, offering consistent heat control. The folding lid serves as a wind guard when open, and when closed, forms a suitcase-style case with a secure latch for convenient transport. With matchless ignition, users can start cooking immediately by simply twisting the ignition knob. No lighters or matches required. The 215 square inch cooking surface accommodates 2 10-inch skillets or pairs seamlessly with the Camp Chef universal flat-top griddle for expanded meal options. Fully adjustable heat controls allow for fine-tuning temperatures to suit precise culinary needs. This stove is engineered for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor cooks who need professional-grade power and portability in a reliable package.
Number 3. Coleman Triton Plus Camp Stove. The Coleman Triton Plus Camp Stove enhances outdoor cooking convenience with its combination of portability, power, and advanced control features. A built-in handle enables easy transport, while the heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed during storage or transit. Independent burners equipped with perfect flow and perfect heat technology allow for refined temperature adjustments, making it easy to simmer, sauté, or boil with accuracy. The InstaStart push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches, ensuring a reliable startup every time. Maintenance remains simple, thanks to the removable chrome-plated grate and rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop, offering durability and quick cleaning after meals. Dual wind guards provide strong protection for the burners, helping maintain consistent heat output in outdoor environments where wind is a concern. Supporting both 12-inch and 10-inch pans, the Triton Plus offers flexible cooking space for multi-dish preparation. With 22,000 total BTUs of heat and the capability to run up to 1 hour on high using a standard 16-ounce propane cylinder, this stove is well-suited for campers requiring dependable performance and long-lasting fuel efficiency.
Number 4. ODSD Portable Camp Stove. The ODSD Portable Camp Stove is engineered for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience, strong heat performance, and an ultra-compact form factor. Its innovative magnetic closure system streamlines setup and storage, allowing users to open and secure the stove quickly without dealing with latches or clamps. A dedicated wind-proof shield enhances cooking stability by reducing wind interference and protecting users from oil splashes, creating a safer and more controlled cooking environment. With two independently adjustable burners delivering a combined output of 20,000 BTUs, the stove supports a wide variety of outdoor cooking methods, from boiling and frying to grilling. Weighing only 3.98 pounds and folding down to a highly compact size, the unit is exceptionally portable and ideal for campers, hikers, tailgaters, and emergency readiness kits. The included durable carry bag adds to its convenience. Despite its small footprint, it offers dependable, flexible performance suitable for both quick meals and more complex outdoor cooking tasks. The ODSD portable camp stove blends portability, innovative design, and safety-focused features into a practical option for users seeking lightweight cooking equipment without sacrificing power.
Number 5. Coleman Propane Camp Stove. The Coleman Propane Camp Stove presents a blend of traditional design and modern durability, built to celebrate over a century of outdoor innovation. With 24,000 BTUs of cooking power, the stove delivers strong heat output suitable for grilling, boiling, and griddle cooking across a range of outdoor environments. Its robust cast iron grill grates enhance durability and heat retention, making the stove capable of long-term, repeated use. A heavy-duty latch keeps the unit tightly closed when not active, while a built-in handle and included carry case streamline transport for camping, tailgating, and roadside cooking. This model's versatility is further strengthened by its removable cast iron grill and griddle accessories that can be swapped depending on meal requirements. Whether preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the stove accommodates a diverse cooking approach. Its classic construction and reliable performance make it an excellent option for outdoor cooks who value strength, heritage styling, and multi-use functionality in a propane-powered camp stove.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon